Welcome to the Q1 2026 Market Perspective. I am speaking on behalf of MD Ardent Asset Management. Today, we are addressing a critical shift in global finance. The divergence between the cost of capital and the movement of liquidity. The data from early this year suggests a new structural reality for asset allocation. Let us look at the baseline figures. The Federal Reserve continues to hold interest rates in the 3.50% to 3.75% range. Consequently, the 10-year Treasury yield remains elevated at approximately 4.18%. In previous economic cycles, such a high cost of capital typically tightened global liquidity and slowed down movement in alternative sectors. However, our analysis at MD Ardent Asset Management indicates that this traditional correlation is weakening. Capital is not freezing, it is actively seeking efficiency. The most distinct signal comes from the digital asset sector. Despite the high-rate environment, we are witnessing measurable institutional participation. Market data shows Bitcoin maintaining firm support levels, but the key metric is the volume of inflows. In early January alone, spot ETFs recorded daily net inflows exceeding $470 million. This volume demonstrates that digital assets are being utilized as a diversification tool by institutions, operating independently of the pressures seen in traditional cash markets. Simultaneously, we observe significant strength in Latin American economies, specifically Brazil. Moving away from the US dollar, we see the Brazilian real strengthening to 5.37 against the USD. This currency appreciation indicates robust economic health and a steady inflow of foreign direct investment into the region. It validates our view that opportunities for growth are expanding geographically, favoring markets with strong resource fundamentals. The convergence of these factors, stable high rates in the US, institutional adoption of digital assets, and currency strength in emerging markets, creates a complex but opportunity-rich environment. It requires a sophisticated approach to portfolio construction that looks beyond domestic borders. At MD Ardent Asset Management, we remain committed to objective, data-centric analysis to navigate these global shifts. Thank you for watching this update.